Baiklah, apakah masing-masing tim sudah siap? Ya, langsung saja kita mulai sesi 1 penampilan dari kelas 2 SMP Putri melawan 3 SMP Putra yang akan membawakan musik perdebatan pendidikan bela negara di pondok pesantren. The existence of different cultural education in Islamic boarding school. Memasuki sesi 1, pembicara 1 dari kubu pro memperkenalkan diri dan mengutarakan pendapatnya terkait alasan menyetujui tema kajian yang dibahas selama 3 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, me and my team will deliver our opinion in this stage as our participation in this debate competition. Okay, let me introduce me and my team. Firstly, we are belonging from second grade of junior high school, and we are pro team. I'm Zahwa as the first speaker, this is Rikza, the second speaker, and last Ishala, the third speaker. Okay, now we begin to deliver my opinions that I agree with state defense education at Islamic boarding schools. Because state defense education at Islamic boarding schools can be very useful. As we know together, Islamic boarding schools as an educational institution have an equal role in forming character and religious values. Integrating state defense education at Islamic boarding schools can help students understand the importance of patriotism, citizenship, and social responsibility. Apart from that, this approach can foster the sense of unity and oneness between some people from various backgrounds. But if implemented in the right way, state defense education at Islamic boarding schools can help the development of individuals who are not only academically intelligent, but also have an awareness on their role in society and state. Islamic boarding schools in their role were shaping the character of the generation, including the foundation of national values and religious values. Islamic boarding schools can also produce students who are not only religious, but also nationalistic and patriotic individuals. That means they have a good patriotism soul for their country and not a nationalism mindset. In this way, state defense education at Islamic boarding schools not only equips students to study the knowledge of rights and obligation as citizens, but also turn them into individuals who are more responsible, have an integrity, and who are ready to contribute to the country or are happy to sacrifice the noble values. In this way, this is a strategic way for our to both get the generation, younger generation, who are capable to face the future challenges with noble values. One example for positive impact from state defense education at Islamic boarding schools implementing obviously application training programs that are often in our institution. Such programs not only focus on scholarship training programs under Islamic boarding schools, but also sometimes teach some basic national values and social responsibility.
Terima kasih disampaikan. Baik, dipersilakan untuk pembicara 1 dari kubu kontra untuk memperkenalkan diri dan mengutarakan pendapat terkait alasan menolak tema kajian yang dibahas. Selama 3 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, standing here, I will deliver my argumentations. But of course, before that, I will introduce ourselves. We are from 30 of junior class. I am. My name is Tanu, as the first speaker, and his name is Arya, as the second speaker, and Love as the third speaker. Okay, here I will tell you my argumentations. If I disagree, because according to statistical data from 2023 until 2024, the Indonesian population has reached 482,477,584 people. This is proof that Indonesian populations, especially NTNI and Bali, are also very large. With this, the community doesn't get required to participate in national defense education. The military and the Tanki and Bali came to the front guard in fighting national threats. In trained by national traits and discuss its obligations as the daily and government and their efforts to protect the function. Thank you.
Terima kasih disampaikan. Baik, dipersilakan pembicara dua dari kubu pro untuk memberikan tambahan penjelas untuk memperkuat pendapat pembicara satu selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, thank you for the time. I will continue my first opinion. While I agree with this existence and diverse education at the semi-boarding school, remember about dividing the country. That refers to effort and commitment to protect sovereignty and integrity of the country. This can include various fronts of contribution, such as pursuing good education, contributing in national values, maintaining national values, and also tolerance. Every individual can also the students keep a role in realizing state education at the semi-boarding schools, with also positive actions. At the semi-boarding schools also have played a role in uniting the country with several roots, like sacred career formation. There are some sacred that become factors during the independence era, such as the War of Independence, and also career education. In the semi-boarding schools, teach about religions and national values, informing the students in terms of civil citizens, also social movements. There are some semi-boarding schools are involved in social activities such as support the government and also help the community. The last is contribution to of ulama. Ulama from Islamic boarding scholars provide often the advice to use their efforts to maintain the sovereignty. They become individuals who are implementing positive actions in social development nations. National citizens education at Islamic boarding schools also can play a significant role. State citizens education at Islamic boarding schools can create a more harmonious and just environment. National citizens education at Islamic boarding schools can help the next generation to have integrity and are committed to becoming good. Even if the state citizens education at Islamic boarding schools.
Terima kasih disampaikan. Selanjutnya, dipersilakan waktu pembicara dua dari kubu kontra untuk memberikan tambahan penjelas untuk memperkuat pendapat pembicara satu selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, I will say the speaker, and I will try to opinion from the first speaker. Before that, we can understand. National defense is so heavy, so difficult to change. And will explain what national defense. If I disagree with the different education in the boarding schools, because if there are already many boarding schools educations, but in form of learning, the senses of gospel book, Holy Quran, etc., will still provide lot of knowledge if any school national defense is provided. It will actually make students even more prudent and upright, because some students also do national defense is learning with military trainings. First, not all students have the same peaceful and start. Thank you.
Terima kasih disampaikan. Baik, dipersilakan untuk pembicara 3 dari kubu pro untuk memberikan tambahan penjelas dan kesimpulan atas pendapat pembicara 1 dan pembicara 2 selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, thank you. With this time, I will continue my friend's opinions. Because Islamic boarding schools can defend the country in several ways, including first, character formation. Islamic boarding schools teach moral and ethical values, creating a generation that has integrity, responsibility, and love for the country. Second, citizenship education. Apart from studying books, many Islamic boarding schools also expressing principles of law and citizenship. Help the students understand the rights and obligations as citizens. Third, social participation. Many Islamic boarding schools are active in social activities, such as helping communities, providing skills training, and contributing to development programs. Fourth, religious education and modern Islamic boarding schools can be a place to learn about tolerance and moderation. Fifth, role in history. History covers many institutions for Indonesian independence, such as Joining Nahdlatul Ulama and other organizations. Six, economic development. Several Islamic boarding schools develop business units that help local communities, contributing economy and social stability. Western education, character formation, and active and cultural serving community. Islamic boarding schools play a significant role in defending and supporting the country. Apart from that, they develop people character. Students are not only ready to defend the country in physical context, but also in moral and social aspect. Thank you.
Deklarasi disampaikan, baik dipersilakan untuk pembicara 3 dari kubu kontra untuk memberikan tambahan penjelas dan kesimpulan atas pendapat pembicara 1 dan pembicara 2 selama 2 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
I as the person we will take the conclusions for our opinion team, and I will ask you, do you really agree with national team changes? If you really agree with national team changes, you can side again with my argumentations that state I disagree with national team educations because we can replace national team educations with national law educations. Because if someone has further in law, of course it will end for these nations. Because the world debate is more radical. So the conclusion is, I can take from to this statement, I can take that all of the Indonesian people is trying to protect our country, but not only used to debate, not only used to teach the national defense actions.
Baik, masih di sesi 2, yakni kubu pro, dipersilakan untuk mengutarakan pendapat selama 3 menit dan tim kontra diperbolehkan untuk menyangga selama 1 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Okay, well, thank you. I will explain you some opinions again. That the struggle of soldering is often identified in militaristic and spirit of nationalism, and they are active in youth organizations, social movements, and education, and they are also contribute to maintain the diversity and promoting tolerance, which are part of nation's strength. Reporting from Operasi, several programs resulting from collaboration and innovation that they carried out in Kutubahasina, Awal Tanda Bencana, that was named by Astana, which was operator in empowering social economy and Asakar at the forefront in maintaining social continuity, especially during tension situation. Thank you. The Islamic boarding school students have a significant role in growing national consciousness and also furthering social collaboration.
I disagree with national defense education, but just in the investigations of national defense education, because in many cases the national defense education, the majority is military education. That is what I disagree, because later I operate, they will give free to our people, to young people who have critical IDs.
I will ask you, you said the every country is value of patriotism. The value of patriotism. Then when the value of patriotism, only the folk of every country, they are also their folk, and it didn't right.
If you remember, this Islamic boarding school also can teach about love of the country, not just about military and state education, but we can learn about love of the country. In state education, the Islamic boarding schools can have a significant role in forming national consciousness and freeing themselves from radicalism. Third, contact creatures of Islam in international stage when they were on the hunt. There are so many Islamic boarding schools have broken up to liberate themselves from colonialism and was aspiration to form their own government. One example is First National Congress of
1916 in Bandung. During this event, Haji Umar Said Cokro-Aminoto, who at the time was the chairman of Central Syarikat Islam, was celebrated with speech to will Indonesian people to form their own government. This speech became a milestone for Indonesian circle because it was foundation of nationalism and also to Indonesian people to openly lead to liberate themselves from colonialism.
In Islamic modern schools, measuring this education does not only focus on physical or military aspect, but also the emphasis the importance of
Introduction.
Yes, okay, right.
I will ask you, I still dislike with taking an education talk with the subject because it has all the similarities with the military investigations. Even in this time, what we need to defend the country in this time is not just the military. Now we are being colonized from the digital. Thank you.
Alright, I will answer your question that you spoke that state defense education at Islamic modern schools is participating in military aspects. But we as a group together, state defense education at Islamic modern schools not only study about militarism, but also sometimes they are studying about love of the country. That's it. Thank you.
Waktu habis. Selanjutnya kepada tim kontra dipersilakan untuk mengutarakan pendapatnya selama 3 menit dan tim pro diperbolehkan untuk menyangga selama 1 menit. Waktu dimulai dari sekarang.
Do you really agree with national defense institutions? If you really agree with national defense institutions, consider any accommodations from Western. I disagree with your argumentation says there is only the idea that is obligated to defend itself in the midst of the rapid flow of technology. The awareness of national defense educations our Indonesian people needs to be further strengthened. And according to the expert staff of the Minister of Defense for Economic Countries, Major Tni to Vietnam, in developing the defense for country states in today's era in our global country.
Interruption.
Yes.
Okay, well, as we know together, soldiers' role in defending the country is very important because they not only rely on religious values but also apply these values in militaristic and social aspects. And the soldiers are often at the forefront in maintaining social defending the diversity, promoting tolerance, and fighting for justice. So their role is very significant. The purpose that is soldiers play significant role in defending the country through general pollution. And the OC prepared Haji Hashim Ash'ari. The student was gathered from every axis in the region, participating fighting and guerrilla in every battle that they carried out by people securing the army.
Even if the state defense education at the Islamic world causes division in the sector, the role is not in the state defense program, but in their self and their character of each individual, that who are wrong, kept grasping and understanding about the purpose of state defense education. Thank you.
You said the Ukraine was not giving education to both sides. You said it was giving education to both sides. Now, we believe those learning both sides can defend their country well, even though the both sides only focus on fighting and studying, and don't have any contributions in the job of carrying the country.
You reject this existence state defense education in Islamic foreign schools. As we know together, state defense program is important for children
is better if we use to defend the word of God. If we use to defend the word of defend, the meaning is the weather is destroyed. Our country is destroyed, and not always we defend. If we use the word of God, of course we have heard, we have thinking to protect our country.
Alright, so now I'll give you a conclusion that the first question is that is Indonesia has so many cultures, language, and religion, etc. So now, if you are not studying state-based education, how will you learn to tolerate and study how to defend the country if there is war? Thank you.
Sorry, and I will try to get my orientation. Who said dating is not important schools don't teach radicalism, for example. In Indonesia, henceforth is not important schools, they indicate the whole Islamic country and disagree with the Muslim country. There are all means important schools, Rukiah leadership, and Abu Bakar al-Ashad bin al-Zayd in Brahmani, and al-Islam is not important schools. In Galam, Salah, and I will try to again, if I disagree, every country in
Waktu habis.